Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to use your American Express membership rewards points to pay for purchases. Let's get started. First, what are membership rewards points? These are the loyalty points you earn every time you spend money on your Amex card. You earn 1 point or more for every dollar you spend. Some categories like travel and dining give you even more points. You can also earn bonus points when you sign up for a new card. The more you use your card, the more points you earn. Now, let me show you how to check your points balance. Log into your American Express online account at americanexpress.com. Enter your user ID and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your points balance right at the top of your account dashboard. It is very easy to find. You can also check your balance using the Amex mobile app on your phone. Now let's talk about using points for shopping. When you shop at partner stores like Amazon or Best Buy, you can use the Pay with Points option at checkout. Just select Pay with Points as your payment method when you are ready to pay. Amex will automatically convert your points to dollars. 100 points are usually worth $1. This means you can buy anything with your points without spending real money. Next, using points for travel. This is often the best value. Log into your Amex account and go to the Membership Rewards section. Then choose Transfer Partners. You can transfer your points to airline partners like Delta SkyMiles, British Airways Executive Club, and Emirates Skywards. You can also transfer to hotel partners like Hilton Honors and Marriott Bonvoy. 1 point can be worth much more than 1 cent when you use it for flights or hotel rooms. Here is another great feature. On the Amex website, you can use Pay with Points to cover a recent purchase. Simply log into your account, find the transaction you want to pay for, and select the Pay with Points option. Amex will instantly use your points to cover that charge. It is fast and easy, and you can use this for any eligible purchase on your statement. Here are my tips for getting the best value. First, transferring points to travel partners gives you the highest value for your points. Second, avoid using points for cash back or gift cards because the value is lower. Third, always check your points balance before shopping so you know what you can spend. And finally, watch for special promotions from Amex that give you extra value for your points. These promotions change regularly, so check your account often. Thanks for watching.